In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tags on Squarespace. First things first, let's hop onto Squarespace's website. There you'll find yourself at the home page, where you will see the option to log in. Squarespace has made it incredibly simple by allowing you to continue with your Google account. Simply click on Continue with Google, and then choose the Google account you wish to use for Squarespace. Once you're logged in, you'll want to direct yourself to your website. You can do this by going to the Squarespace account dashboard. Here you'll see an overview of your websites. Click on the specific website you want to adjust the taxes for. After entering your site's backend, navigate to the settings section. This will show you a variety of settings available for customization, from general settings like your site's description to more complex configurations. Within these options, you'll want to locate and select selling. It's here where Squarespace manages all e-commerce related settings, including taxes, payments, and shipping. In the selling settings, click on taxes. This section specifically deals with how taxes are handled on your site, ranging from sales tax to VAT. To add a new tax rate, click on add rate. You'll then select your country. It's important to set this correctly, as tax laws vary significantly by location. After selecting your country, click next. Now you're in the meat of the process, adding your tax rate and naming it. The name could be anything from VAT to sales tax, depending on what type of tax you're implementing. Input the rate at which you want to tax your transactions in this section. Additionally, Squarespace gives you the option to decide if you want to apply taxes to shipping costs. Some regions require taxes on shipping, while others do not. This is where the toggles come into play. Check them if you want your shipping cost to be taxed. Lastly, make sure all the information you entered is correct and hit save. Your tax settings are now up to date. Squarespace makes it seamless to manage taxes, ensuring that your e-commerce business aligns with local regulations. Remember, tax laws can be nuanced and complex. It's always recommended to consult with a tax professional when setting up your tax rates. This ensures your business remains compliant with local tax laws. And that wraps up our walkthrough on how to add tax settings to your Squarespace site. Whether you're setting up a new shop or updating an existing one, managing your taxes correctly is crucial in running a successful online business. Squarespace's intuitive interface makes this process straightforward, ensuring you can focus on what truly matters: growing your business. Thanks for following along, and happy selling.